Amazfit, the budget smartwatch company, has now come up with yet another product in India, the Amazfit BIP 3 Pro. So today, without wasting any further time, let's unbox the same and look at the prominent features of this smartwatch. This is a new retail package of the Amazfit BIP 3 Pro smartwatch. As you can see at the front, they have mentioned some of the prominent features of this smartwatch, such as 1.69-inch large color display, high precision GPS and GLONASS sensor, long battery life, 5 ATM water resistant certification, blood oxygen saturation measurement, and it also supports over 60 sports modes. If you look at the back, they have mentioned that this product retails in India for 5,999 rupees. At the time of recording this video, we don't have the exact information on the pricing. However, we believe the smartwatch will cost 5,999 or it will cost less than that in India. Again, you can use this smartwatch with any of the Android or iOS devices that are running on the latest operating system, and you have to download the Zep app to pair the smartwatch with your smartphone. Now, without wasting any further time, let's unbox this smartwatch and look at the accessories that are included with the watch. As I said before, it comes in an interesting packaging where they have placed the watch inside this box. Today we have the black variant of the Amazfit BIP 3 Pro, which again comes with a normal looking watch strap which are easily replaceable, and you can use normal watch strap with this watch. At the back you have all the sensors including the charging pin, and you also have a multifunction button on the right side. At the front you have a curved display which is 1.69-inch display, an IPS LCD display with a bit of a bezel at the bottom. Now let us keep the watch aside and look at the accessories that are included with the device. Again, everything comes inside this package, and we also have a charging cable which is an USB type A charging cable which goes on the back side of the smartwatch, and it attaches it magnetically. And then all we have is the manual which will help you to set this up. Now let's look at the actual watch itself. As you can see, it is ready for setup, and out of the box it has 68% charge. Now on your smartphone you have to download the Zep app, which I have already done. Once you open the Zep app, you have to click on the press button and then pair this device and select a new watch. If your watch has QR code, which this one has, I just have to scan the QR code on the app. Once I do that, you can easily pair the Amazfit BIP 3 Pro with the device. And once you do that, you have to accept the permission on your smartwatch to authenticate this connectivity process. As you can see, the watch has successfully paired to my smartphone, and it's currently on the home screen, and I will show you some of the features of this smartwatch. This is the home screen of the Amazfit BIP 3 Pro smartwatch. As you can see, if you swipe from up, you will get quick toggle options like setting, brightness, night mode and alarm clock. If you swipe from the bottom, you get the notification menu, and if you swipe from the left, you will get the music player, and if you swipe from the right, you will get various features like activity tracker, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, stress monitor, pi monitor, weather details, and again the music menu. Again, if you press on the multifunction button, you also get various options available on this smartwatch, such as activity goal, PAI, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, workout history, and SpO2. If you go to the workout option, as they have mentioned, it has over 60 sports modes such as outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, walking, open water swimming, and more. As you can see, as I paired my smartwatch with my phone, I am actually receiving the notification directly on the smartwatch. To change the wallpaper of the smartwatch, you just have to long press on the home screen and you can select various wallpapers. To get more wallpapers, you can actually go to the Zep app on the smartphone and download various wallpapers without any issue. For more unboxing videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification anytime you upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.